Guys, welcome to my channel. Today's tutorial is going to be on overlapping top with a puff and using 2 yards crepe material. So I'm going to fold this into 4 now. So by folding this into 4 with a zip allowance over here, it's only the edge here because of the zip I'm going to put. So now I'm going to determine the half length. The half cut here is going to be 15. The half cut here is going to be 15. So from this 15, I'm going to cut. So before I cut it, I'm going to measure the back. The back here I'm using 7. Armhole, which is the armpit, I'm using 7 as well. This is the half length. For me, I'm going to determine my bust. Here, I'm using 11. I'm going to put allowance. Here I'm going to use 8.5 with an allowance. So I'm going to sketch it out like this. Sketch it out, as you can see. Then I can now cut. So I've cut it out like this. So since it's an overlapping top, I'm going to remove this. Then I'll keep this. So from here, I'm going to lay it down like this. Then I'll measure 4 inches and a half, which will be the shoulder. So from these 4 inches, I'm going to slant it down to here. So I'm going to make a straight line here. Then you can now cut it like this. So you can now place this material on another one like this. So you're going to place this side, this part, you're going to place it on this material like this to cut the other side out. So assume you are dealing with a material that have front and back, so you have to place it like this in order for it not to be the same thing when you cut it out. So you have to place it like this. Then you can now cut. Like this. So this is the 2 sides. By opening it, you can place it like this. So these are the 2 sides. So as you can see, when you are sewing it, this is how it's going to be, and overlapping. So I told you this is an half length, so I'm going to cut the small flay that will join it. So I'm folding this material into 2 first. So I'm going to fold this into 4 now to cut the flay, the small flay out that I'm going to join with the half length. So like this. I'm going to determine the waist here. So I'm using 5 here, 5 and 5. So I'm going to round it. So for me, I'm going to measure. So this is 32. So it's okay. This is 8.5. And you know I'm folding this into 4. So 8.5 multiplied by 4, that's 32. So from here, I'm going to determine my main length that I want to join, which is here I'm using 9. 9 here as well. Then 9 here. Then I'm going to make it round. So from here, so like this, I'm going to cut this place out too. So this will be the small flake that will stay on the top. So it will make the sleeve. So as I'm folding this into four, this is into two, so this is into four. Now I'm going to determine the sleeve. So I'm going to sketch this out for you now, like this. Let me reduce it. It depends on the sleeve you want. Like this, it's okay for me. So like this is what I want to cut. So as you can see, I'm going to cut it from here now. This is I'm using these inches because I'm going to join another one to it. So this is 12 and a half. So from here, I'm going to join up to like, so the puff hand I said it has earlier. So this will be the one I'm going to use to do the pleating on it, like this. It's a long sleeve, like 70 inches long. So I'm going to use it to make a pleating on it. So after this, I'm going to use rubber here. So this is a puff hand that I said about earlier, like this. This is how it's going to be. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more tutorial. Bye.